need an idea. I need an idea. I need an idea. I need an idea. Ouch! Ow! Idea. Do you have an idea, Sarah? You do? Give me an idea. You have an idea? Wait a minute. Yes! Okay! Wait a minute. Why did I come here for again? Oh, man! Greetings, fellow human beings. I really try hard to find an interesting way to start this video, but I failed, so let's jump into the video right away. This is the second and last episode of me documenting the Tenjin Matsuri, one of the 3 main festivals in the Kansai region and the biggest in Osaka city. And this time, it's when the sun finally disappeared, so it's going to be a night street photography session. And of course, I use my 50mm lens 1.8. And as last time, I tried the retro nostalgic editing I came up with, along with my regular, more modern, soft and clean editing. One more thing before we jump into the first part of the video is that when I attend a matsuri, a festival, I'm usually focused on the crowd that attends the festival rather than the festival itself as a photographer. Of course, as a person, I enjoy the festival like anybody else, but as a photographer, what interests me is more the people, the crowd, and everything going around the matsuri, the festival, than the show itself. Because it's very colorful, especially in matsuris, you have girls and sometimes guys wearing yukata, the light version of the kimono. You have kids playing, families enjoying themselves. I mean, a lot of photo opportunities. All right, let's roll the first part of the film and I'll catch you before the second one. How's my hair? A little messy here, but I kind of like it. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed the first part of the film, and as you could see, I use my new nostalgic retro editing style for some of the pictures, not all, because I think that the darker it gets, the less this new style is relevant. I think it works with daylight and brighter pictures, because the grainy filter render the image even darker, so it works better daytime, I found out, and that's what I learned during this photo session, or the editing of it. Now, in the second part, I'm going to roll now. I experimented with slow shutter speed to create motion and more abstract feel to the pictures for some of the shots you're going to see. And handheld is not easy to find the right movement, the right slow shutter speed, the right timing and everything, but I probably kept only 5% of my attempt, but it was still very interesting and I want to do that more. But anyway, I let you the judge if you like it or not. Let's roll the second part of the film. Oh, and before I forget, at the end of it, you will have a slice of the Tenjin Matsuri procession itself, so don't miss it.
You've been holding me down. That still never love pulls me back to ground. I'm calling out your love. It's not enough. 'Cause when you pull me up, you pull me right back down. You pull me right back down. You pull me right back down. You've been holding me down. That still never love pulls me back to ground. Calling out your love, it's not enough. 'Cause when you pull me up, you pull me right back down. Calling out your love. You've been holding me down. That still never love pulls me back to ground. I'm calling out your love. It's not enough. 'Cause when you pull me up, you pull me right back down.
Look, so cool! Nice! Survive.
I'm still thinking about a good idea to start a video, hopefully in the next one. But anyway, I hope that you liked the second part of the film and that you could feel the atmosphere of the matsuri. Matsuris are really, in my mind, the spirit of the Japanese summer. All matsuris are not only in summer, but summer is the main season for matsuri. If you have the chance to be here in Japan during the summer, I highly recommend that you attend any matsuri, big one, small one. Anyway, the atmosphere is always great. And I hope that I gave you a little taste of it. Now, what do you think about my new editing style, retro and nostalgic, compared to my usual one, more clean and soft? And what do you think about slow shutter speed pictures, mine or yours, or the technique itself? Do you like it? Do you use it? What's your opinion about it? Now, as per usual, hang a little more for the extra photographs coming at the end of this video. And until next time, you know what to do. Enjoy the ride and spread the love.
Calling out your love, it's not enough. 'Cause when you put me up, you put me right back down. Calling out your love. You've been holding me down. I still never love. Pulls me back to ground. I'm calling out your love. It's not enough. 'Cause when you pull me up, you put me right back down. I'm calling out your love. You've been holding